Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with this unique drone right here. This is called the EO-29 Eagle Owl, and this thing is also called the Scorpion, a Scorpion drone, and it's also called an Avatar drone. Of course, because of the way that it looks, strikingly similar to the vehicles that were flown in the Avatar movie. But these things are awesome. This thing is found the cheapest on AliExpress, y'all. It's 30 bucks on AliExpress. Also, you can use the coupon codes. I'll have a link in the description to this thing if you want to purchase it. I have the coupon codes there. All you have to do is download the AliExpress app to get this thing for 30 bucks. And the coupon codes actually give you a few bucks off to get it for cheaper than $30. And so I just came out here to do a night flight with it. It does have lights and all. Let's get this thing up in the air. Check it out. This thing has proprietary batteries. It comes with 2. Hopefully you guys can see this battery here. On and off button is on the top right here. Really bright lights, which is why I wanted to check this thing out at night. Both sticks to the lower outside corners, calibrates it. So it calibrated there. Both sticks to the inside corners, I meant to say. And let's take off with it. We're in low rates with it. Barely enough pitch for it to even move. You got a slight breeze blowing to the right. I was trying to fly to the right, not moving. So give it a little more pitch in the second rate. This is with the wind right here. This is against the wind. This is side flying. Let y'all see the yaw rate. Okay, we're in third rate now. So we're fighting against maybe a 2-mile-an-hour wind here. This thing does flips. Let's do a flip. Backwards flip. I think that's the only direction it flips though. It's backwards. When you press forward or any direction, it'll just flip backwards. So you can actually fly this thing forward and then hit the button and it'll do a backwards flip while it's flying forward. No hesitation at all. You can just keep pressing forward and it'll just do a flip. Not sure if you can turn the lights off. The lights are all flashy and everything. Let's see, what does this button here do? It does have a camera on it, but it didn't say. I think I was messing with the trims there. It didn't say anywhere in the instructions manual about how to operate the camera, or if it's a Wi-Fi camera even. It's kind of cold out here and it's flashing rapidly. I don't think that that's the LVC warning though. I think the LVC warning is audible. Oh, not into the tree. Oh, I flew right into the tree. This thing is partially foam actually, y'all. So there are plastics and foam. The missiles on it are foam. The little gold missiles. The lights don't help so much in orientation. Doesn't help with orientation at night. Just for show, I guess. It's flashy. But the shape of this thing alone should help with orientation. That should be enough. We have a cat over here going after it, y'all. Or maybe he's just curious as to what it is. Kitty's watching the show like, what the heck is that? I think he's waiting for it to go down. Let's see what happens if it comes down low. If he's going to try to get it. He looked like he's stalking it. He actually might think he can tackle that thing. Let's see what he does. Kitty's creeping up on it. Let's let Kitty know we're not afraid. That's right, Kitty. This is the eagle owl, Kitty. Better back up. Ah, that's funny. He's trying to stalk it, but then when it confronts him, he's running. Oh yeah, he's spooked out now. He got it at a safer distance. Let's come over here to the light so you guys can maybe see it a little better. Check it out. There are the little missiles I was talking about, the little gold missiles. They're all foam. It has a camera on the front there. You can adjust the camera. But I don't know how to start recording with the camera. Pretty decent fly time. Okay, we're in LVC now. It's flashing. On, off, and on. And they're not all Christmassy and everything. Looks like a controlled single color LED. Well, it's going from blue to white and then off. And it's landing on its own. It landed, y'all. That was the LVC, so that's what it does. It didn't turn off though, it just landed. That's weird. Just flashing, it didn't turn off. We're gonna stop it like this, y'all. Quick way to stop these things is turn them upside down. The EO-29 Eagle Owl or Scorpion or Avatar from AliExpress. Thanks for watching.